Welcome to lesson 24. In this lesson, we will implement full CRUD operations for the subjects form, allowing users to manage subjects and link them to departments. To begin, add references to your business logic layer and entity layer. Then create a subject BLL object and a subject entity object in your code behind file. These will allow your UI to communicate with the logic layer. For the delete operation, let the user select a record from the grid view. After confirming the action, call the delete subject method in the BLL and refresh the grid view to remove the deleted record. The read operation is handled by binding the grid view. Load the subject list only when the page loads for the first time by checking is postback. Use the get subjects method from the BLL to retrieve all records. To update a subject, allow the user to select a record from the grid view. Populate the form fields with the selected data. After the user makes changes, call the update subject method in the BLL. For the create operation, read the subject name and selected department from the form. Fill the subject entity and call the save subject method in the BLL. Refresh the grid view to show the new record. Include a clear button to reset all form fields. This prepares the form for entering a new subject and prevents accidental updates. Always validate required fields before saving or updating. Use meaningful messages to guide the user. Wrap operations in try-catch blocks to handle errors gracefully. In summary, your subjects form is now fully functional with the complete CRUD operations. Your UI, BLL, and database are now working together seamlessly. If you have questions or need help debugging your subjects form, let's go through them now.